All right, Alan, we're back with your little dear darling little sausage. Oh, he's a little sausage buddy, this one. So I don't have my soundbox collar on, but I do have actually my nick set on 80. So, we're going to do the pager. No, down. Concurrent with every command. It's not losing any weight either. We got to get him on an exercise. Oh, I need to get a treadmill. Then we can put Dallas on the treadmill. Anyway, I'm always going to start my pager slightly before. I'm going to go ahead and turn my nick down to about 40. I'm going to turn it up if I need to. Dallas, heel. Down. Move up this way, we'll just work it right in here.
Good morning.
Hello. Down.
I had a dog like that named Phoebe.
Oh, really? Down. Good. Dallas. Heel. Heel. Down. These stupid shoes came untied. Harley Davidson, please. Nylon laces don't stay tied. What if I was on a motorcycle? Came untied. That would be terrible. Down. This closet is full of psychos. I cannot tell you how many times this guy has told me he has a dog that looks exactly like whatever dog we're looking. Good boy. Good boy. Good. Good boy. Well, he's such a good boy. So in this kind of a context, we're really only using the two behaviors of move in my direction and remain stationary, and we're not ever going to do, I can't stress this enough, if there's somebody out there that you're just starting to learn to train dogs, there would be absolutely no practical application for me to leave this dog, to go way down there, to go into the store, to turn my back and walk away. There's no practical application for that. I don't know why. The more I see it, the more it's driving me insane. Any more than you would take your eyes off a 3-year-old child. Down. Would you ever put the dog there, turn your back, and walk away and call it to you? There's no, I don't ever see where that would come in handy. And I tell you guys all the time, email me if you know the practical application, but they never do. Dallas. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Heel. Oh, he's going to eat that bug. Down. Oh, he's a good boy. All right, and in order to keep him from snatching my finger. Oh, he's a cute little guy, isn't he? No, down. Good. Good. Dallas. Good heel. Good boy. Good boy. Heel. Down. Down. Good. Down. See? Down. Thank you. Good. Good. Down. Yeah, newsflash, they may want to clean this concrete out here. That's just my excuse because the dog's eating things off the ground. Good. Good boy. Good. Good. So remember, you guys, you always want to link the praise and the treats. What I'm not going to do, and I'm going to do it just to show you guys, because people do this all the time, and if you really look at the dog's face, they don't like it. If I went like this, no, down. The dog is not saying, oh, that means I was good. Especially this little dog. Oh, he's a good boy. He only likes treats. Dallas. Good boy. Good. Heel. Using that pager to pull him around that turn. Good boy. Heel. Good. 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 Heel. What I don't want to do is try to step quickly away from the dog at this point. Heel. Use that pager to keep him right on there. Heel. Same thing with go down. Good. Especially for little dogs like this, that foot signal is going to come in very handy. Dallas. Down. I'm not moving this hand. I'm not pointing, and definitely do reason for that. Good boy. Good boy. So I'm not going to go forward at all. I'm going to move towards him. Heel. 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 Down. Oh, he's a good boy. All right, one more time. Heel. Down. No. Good. Down. Good boy. Heel. So remember, you guys, we're defining down as being over on that hip. Down. And my new method of keeping him from grabbing the treat is shoving it in his mouth. Down. Let me show you the new technique I invented. We call it the Dallas. Dallas has a sense of entitlement. Down. All right, guys, more updates.